Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot change country or region issue on your iPhone. So guys, if you are trying to change your country or region on your iPhone but you're facing this issue and you are unable to change it, here I will show you how can you change it. So guys, basically there are three ways which will allow you to change the country or region settings on your Apple device. So guys, the very first way is that you have to simply cancel or clear all the active subscriptions on your Apple device. So guys, for that, open your settings and then go to your profile and then go to subscriptions, and from here you have to simply clear all your active subscriptions on your Apple device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply spend any remaining Apple account balance on your Apple device. So guys, if there is any remaining Apple account balance, you have to simply spend it in any apps or other. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the third solution. That is, you have to simply leave any family sharing groups. So guys, if you have joined any family sharing settings on your Apple device, then you have to simply leave any family sharing groups or plannings from here. So as you can see this, you have to simply cancel or leave the family plannings from here, and after this you will be able to change your country or region very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.